I know the feeling of looking at your bank account and just feeling sick to your stomach, wondering how you are going to pay your mortgage when it comes due in a few days. And I want to give you some hope and relief because I've been there and I also know what to do next. So today we're going to go over your options and help get a game plan together. And although I'm a big fan of the big boy pants talk, Dave Ramsey says to go deliver pizzas or clean some houses, and he's not wrong. But there's some other options to help in addition to putting your nose to the grindstone. We're going to go over how to know if you're in trouble, what options there are, and how to take control of the situation. First, how do you know that you're actually in trouble? Have you lost your job? Have you lost a large source of income? Do you have a new financial burden that outstrips your income? Or, and this is something that I know has happened to a lot of people, have you accidentally let the credit system overtake you? Are debt payments almost literally strangling you? Like I said, I'm a big fan of Dave Ramsey. Go check out what he has to say about paying debt down, but I'm here to talk about your house. So second, what are your options if you're looking at being unable to pay your mortgage? A lot of people are in different situations. So one, if you still have runway, but it's not looking good, it may be time to consider selling. And we could talk about that a little bit later. But in some cases, it may be too late for that. And that brings us to the next strategy, which is to take immediate action. How you take immediate action is by, number one, contacting your servicer. Don't wait until you've missed a payment. You may be wondering, who is my mortgage servicer? That is actually the company that you send your payments to. Go ahead and find their number on the statement or in their system and give them a call. Explain your situation, if it's temporary, if you've lost a job, if it's a medical emergency, whatever the situation is, they can usually help you. And in most cases, they actually really want to. It's cheaper for them to help you in a time of need and keep your loan than to foreclose and own the house and try and resell it themselves. And here's a pro tip. While you're talking with them, keep a detailed record of every call, the date, the time, who you spoke to, what was discussed. This paper trail can be incredibly useful, and make sure you take really good notes. Mortgage servicers usually have programs that are designed to help you avoid foreclosure. They're known as loss mitigation options. Here are some of the common loss mitigation options. Forbearance. So this is a temporary pause or reduction in payments. This is great if your hardship is short-term, but you'll have to remember that you have to repay those missed amounts at a later date. A repayment plan. So if you can afford to catch up quickly, they might set up a plan where you can pay a little extra each month until you are current. This might work well if you're in a situation where you are a few months behind already. Loan modification. So this is a permanent change to your loan terms. Think lower interest rate, extended loan terms, going from like a 30-year to a 40-year, or adding missed payments to your loan balance to make your monthly payment more affordable. Another option is to short sell or a deed in lieu. So these are options if you can't keep your home. A short sale allows you to sell for less than what you owe, which is something that the bank would need to agree to. A deed in lieu is where you voluntarily give the home back to avoid a foreclosure. All of these options do end up affecting your credit, but they are better than a foreclosure situation. Another option for help is free help from a HUD-approved housing counselor. These counselors help navigate the options, which can be confusing, and I highly recommend using a HUD-approved housing counselor. They're free, unbiased experts who can help you understand your options, your budget, and even help you communicate with your servicer if that does seem daunting. They are an absolutely amazing resource, and I will go ahead and include the link to find one in the description down below. And then another option is actual government and state programs. So you can look into state programs and federal programs. Right now, there's the Homeowner Assistance Fund, or HAF, which was established during the COVID pandemic. It provides grants for homeowners who are in distress. So each state has its own programs, qualifications, reasons, and this money often doesn't actually need to be paid back. So that could be a really great option for you. You just need to check what's available within the state that you are in. Again, I put links for that in the description down below. Now, if you're struggling, but you still have some runway, a few months of time, let's talk about when selling might be a really good option. So this is not when you're in dire straits and have missed payments or are going to miss the next couple of payments. High equity. So if your home has appreciated significantly and you have substantial equity, selling could unlock that capital for you. You could downsize, reduce your debt, or even invest in something else that's going to make you money. Rising costs beyond your mortgage. So property taxes, insurance, HOA fees, and maintenance costs are all increasing all around the country. If these are stretching your budget thin, selling for a more affordable home could really actually help your financial well-being. Lifestyle changes. Maybe you need more space. Maybe you need to move somebody in to help out with their financial situation. Maybe you could use less space. Or if you want to relocate for a better job or family. If your current home no longer fits your life and you have the equity, why force it when you're struggling to make the payment? So, how do you know if selling is actually the right move for you? It really comes down to a few key questions. What is your current equity? What could you realistically walk away with after selling costs? That's something you need to talk to a realtor about. What are your goals? Are you looking to reduce your monthly expenses, move up to a new area, or free up cash? And also, what does the market look like in your area? And this is where I come in. So if you're considering selling, even if you're not facing foreclosure, maybe those payments are getting really tough for you, I'm here to help you understand what those options are and if the current market value of your home can ease those burdens. So if you're in northern Utah, I can provide a no obligation home valuation and we can discuss what a sale would look like for you. If you're outside of my service area, please feel free to reach out and I can connect you with an amazing vetted realtor that is in your area. Don't forget to check out the resources I linked below in the description, and you can also schedule a time to talk with me personally through the link in the description as well. And if you're considering selling, I do also have a free home selling guide you can download. So again, the link is in the description down below. If you don't know me yet, my name is Jessie Tolman. I'm a realtor with the Key Utah Realtors team at KW Success, and I am the key to your real estate success, and I am ready to help you with whatever you've got going on.